You will learn a lot about me, about Loan Factory. You will learn of the benefit that we offer loan officers. And at the end, I will answer any question you have for me, any question you have. So I know that most of you have a lot of questions, and I love to answer your question. But if you can, if during the presentation, please ask question. If I say something that you need clarification, you have question about, anything not related, please wait to the end. So that will allow me to finish the presentation, and I will answer any question you have. And during the presentation, I want you to think a lot. I want you to compare Loan Factory versus your company, any other company out there. I want you to compare because that is really important. I want to be able to answer any question you have. Okay, so I'm gonna start right away. And I will share with you my screen. And here is our main website. And you can see that we promote this program, $1,000 lowest rate guarantee. Most of you probably never heard about such a program. So this program, basically, we promise our client that if we cannot beat any offer, we give the borrower $1,000. So the borrower can see the term and condition. They can upload the LE, and we will tell them right away if we can beat it or not. If we cannot beat it, we ask them to close the loan and give us the fruit, the CD, and we'll pay them $1,000. So the purpose of the program is to promote competition. We want consumer to shop around and get better rate. And consumer, of course, they want lower rate. And if we offer them this program, they would love to take advantage, and they would love to shop around. And very likely we will beat offers. So we write out the term and condition, but mostly we will exclude jumbo loan and high balance loan and non-QM loan and preferred lender. We only honor conventional conforming loan, FSA, VA loan. So those are the programs that we honor. So as a loan officer, you think about this. If you want to be successful, you need to have a lot of clients, right? So the big question is, how do we have clients? So in order to have a lot of clients, a lot of people have to know you, right? If nobody knows you, you don't have any client. And a lot of people have to know you and know that you are a good loan officer, someone that have good knowledge, good experience, and have good rate to help them save money. So you need to basically promote yourself. You need to do your own marketing, build your brand name. You need to expose yourself with a lot of consumer who can see that, oh, you are a good loan officer. So that's why if you are active on social media, or if you watch out your market in your city, your area, you know that some of the top producers, they are very active. They spend money to advertise, or they are very active on social media. They promote themselves crazy. They say, oh, today I close 2 loans. Oh, tomorrow I have a loan to close. Oh, I lock the rate at this rate. They promote themselves crazy so that everyone else can know and like this person. And you have to do the same. The formula is very simple. Even the president, when they run for the president, the candidate have to spend a lot of money advertising, and they have to have agenda. They have to make sure the constituents love them and vote for them, right? Same thing with you. You want the consumer out there know you, like you, and come to you when they need mortgage, right? So this program is a great way to attract clients. You know, consumer, when they see you promote this program, they would say, oh, Jose, he said he have lowest rate, otherwise he pay $1,000. This is amazing. I better check him out when I need mortgage. So they will save your contact information, and 6 months later, a year later, when they buy the house or when they refinance, they will reach out to you and challenge you to give them the best rate. So this is a great program for you to promote yourself, to get clients. And we have many other great programs. Great, like we have a 2-1 lender pay buy down. Lender will pay for the buy down. So we have a lot of great program. Like we have another program, we call that Purchase Plus. Like lender, the borrower down 1%, lender give 2%. So that's a lot of good program to help the consumer, and we can use that to promote ourselves. And this is why I say you have to compare, because at your company right now, what do they offer you? What can you do? What can you promote, right? You need to have something to promote. And Loan Factory, we have so many things you can promote. We can promote our system, our technology, our AI, our fast processing, our lowest rate guarantee program. We have many different programs for you to promote, and I will share with you all of that later on. But the key here is, if you are not different or better, you're not going to win. You're going to be an ordinary loan officer, and you're going to fail because nobody is going to pick you. So it's important to improve, to get better and better. It's good to advertise and promote yourself, build your brand name. So here's our website. On the left side, we have the $1,000 lowest rate guarantee program. The right side, we have the pricing engine. And our pricing engine is for the consumer to shop around, to check the rate. And it's super easy to use. They enter a few simple value, and they this is why I say Loan Factory is the best platform, because we build our own software. We build the pricing engine, and our pricing engine is better than Loan Shifter. The reason I say that, because our pricing engine is super easy to use. You see how easy it is to use? And the second thing is it helps you detect the affordable home ownership program. Like for this example, if you say your income is $216,000, then you qualify for the AMI rate discount, area median income. So there's other program here, and I can go over later on. But think about this: your income is $216,000 a year, which is very high. But in San Jose, in Northern California, you still qualify to get discount. And the system will show the rate. Here's the rate. Today it's for 875 with $800 points. And this rate is really good right now. So Let me give you another example. If the borrower buying the house and make 20% down, right? But the credit score is only 650. Let's find out the rate. Let's find out the rate if they don't qualify for the program. Okay, if their income is high, then you see that the income is 7.375%. See that? 20% down payment purchase and credit score is low, then the rate is 7.375. The reason is there's an adjustment of 2.25% because credit score is low and LTV 80%. Right? So that's why the rates are so high. And imagine you use Loan Shifter. You quote this client 7.375% with no point. And for me, I will say, oh, their income is only 200K. Then I put the rate as 6.875%. Half a percentage less than your rate. And who do you think the client will pick? Of course, they pick me. I give them the better rate. So technology is really important. It helps you find a good program, good product for your clients, right? Because with this program, if you look at the here, you can see 2.25 is waived, and therefore the total adjustment is this. Okay, so that's why it's important to use a rate technology to help you. And on the bottom here, we show the loan officer that have a lot of Google review, and we want to promote you. If you have a lot of Google review, we will promote you. And you know, you can see that every loan officer we promote, you can have your own website. Let's say Ann Nguyen here, her website is yes2ann.com. And if we visit this website, you can see that this is her website. She licensed in this state, and she have pricing engine here. This is her. She show her review here. So everything looks good for her. And the client can quote rate and fill out application. So we build a website for you. When you join Loan Factory, we build a website for you. You can customize your website. You can configure it. On your pricing engine, you can decide to hide the lender name. You can hide some lender or show all lender. You can hide your compensation. You can do a lot of different things on your website so that customize to your situation. And we build this website for you, and it's free. You don't have to pay for it. And we have a non-QM pricing engine as well. And I guess none of you have ever heard about a non-QM pricing engine. So let's say here a bank statement program, you can run the pricing. And I think the reason is what happened. What happened to her pricing engine? Yes. Let me find out on the main website. So we have a non-QM pricing engine here. And here we have, wait, wow, the rate is so good. The rate is even better than conventional loan. Oh no, it's 7.375 with some credit. And we have 9 lenders total. And you can see the best lender right here. See, a lot of loan officers out there, most of them are not good at non-QM. And most of us tend to stick to one or two non-QM lender. But here we have a pricing engine where you can shop around. And you can see that if you send loan to Champion or Plaza or Amwest, your rate are high. But if you go with this lender, wholesale mortgage bankers, you get the best deal. So this is to show to you that it is very important to use the technology, to use the pricing engine so that you can get the best deal for your client. And that's how you win the business. You know, if any of your clients come to you and ask for a quote and you quote them and they never come back to you, then you should find out why. And the obvious reason is they don't like your rate. They shop around, right? So that's why it's important to show your client that you have the best possible rate. You can win. You always win, right? So imagine some loan officer quote some rate down here and I quote this lender, I will win. And this rate, the borrower will get this rate, and loan officer can get paid 1%. Your compensation, you can change from loan to loan if you go borrow pay. So let me share with you a few more things. So imagine, I want you to compare with your company. How many lenders do they have for you? At Loan Factory, we have 219 lenders. That means you can shop around, and we have all types of products for your clients. You will never say no to any of the client or realtor that asks you for commercial loan, reverse mortgage, hard money loan, land, mobile home loan, all kinds of loans. You can do it. SBA loan, you can do it. You don't have to say no anymore. And look at how many 5-star reviews that we have. We have perfect 5-star review. All of our clients will give us 5-star review, all of them. So imagine, you know, I will point out a lot of problems that most loan officers make. So most of you would agree with me that it is critical nowadays to have good reviews to show off to your future clients, right? Even you, when you ask for a service like attorney or realtor or restaurant, you look up review, right? You always look up review, but at the same time, most of you don't have Google review to show off to your clients. Why? You should. So that is the problem. And I know what is important and I take care of it. And that's why I'm successful. I see a problem, I solve the problem. Most of you see the problem and you don't solve it. You let it sit. When you lose out a deal to your competitor, you don't know what to do. When the client complains to you, you don't know what to do to address it and prevent it from happening again in the future. When you lost the deal to your competitor, you accepted it, and that's why you lose. I never accepted it. I challenged myself, and that's why I come up with this program. I challenged myself that I will have to give my client the best possible rate. I will win every time. If the client shop around, I will have the best rate. So I will have the best service, the best rate, the best of everything. That's what I challenge myself. And imagine you work with Loan Factory, and every loan that you close, the client give you 5-star review. And imagine you work for Loan Factory 5 or 10 years ago. Now you probably have hundreds of 5-star reviews, and you can use that to promote yourself, to win more clients, right? This is exactly what you have to do. Every little thing important, you have to take care of it. Any problem you face, you have to solve it. This is how many loan officers we have. 1,500 loan officers, and we are licensed in 48 states. When client asks me why my rates are so low, here are the 3 reasons. We always shop around for rate. Every loan that I have, I shop around. Most loan officers out there, they don't shop around. They send their client to 1 or 2 lenders only. That's bad. Secondly, I negotiate. Because we are big, we can negotiate with the lender to give us the best possible rate. I told all my lenders that they must give me the best possible rate. Otherwise, I will get mad. I will not work with them. If you work for a small broker, they don't have that power to negotiate, right? And for example, in case of EPO, you have no choice but pay. At Loan Factory, we have the power to negotiate, to get less or waive it. And Rocket Mortgage, we work with Rocket Mortgage instead of UWM. And they waive EPO for us. No EPO at Loan Factory, no EPO. So you know that rates are so high right now, more than 7%, right? You know that as the moment rate drop, people will refinance crazy. And you might have to pay EPO. That is a lot of money, right? So that is why there's a lot of benefit working for a big broker. A lot of benefit. And then we also willing to lower our profit to help them. So we need to give the borrower a reason to work with us. We can say, hey, come to work with us without any reason. So I will share with you let me see. Oh no, this is a different. So why Loan Factory? And this is my responsibility to explain to you. Just like the client asks you why they have to work with you, and you have to explain to them. If you cannot explain, they're not going to pick you, right? You need to persuade them to work with you, send loan to you. So at Loan Factory, we have the best technology platform, and it's free. We build our pricing engine, the CRM, the POS, I'm sorry, the LOS. We build everything ourselves, and it's free. You can use it for free. Our system is better than any other system out there because it's built by me. It's been improved for so long, and it's all in one. All system in one. Very powerful. And when you work with Loan Factory, you will be trained by me, the #1 loan officer in the country. You can learn from me how I do things. We have weekly meeting. We have 4 training for every loan officer. When you first join, we train you. And we have the academy for you to learn as well. We have free marketing support. So if you want to run ads, you want to have a customized image, you want to edit a video, the marketing staff will help you. Free. Also, if you have a difficult loan that you need help fighting against the lender, or you need help calculate DTI, or if you have a difficult loan, you don't know what lender to send to, if there's any product for it, our underwriter can help you. You can create a ticket and they will jump in and help you. And it's all free. I don't think any broker out there have this service, right? So we don't charge any monthly fee, no desk fee, no junk fee. So if you join Loan Factory and you don't close any loan for 3 months, 6 months, it costs you nothing. And you don't have to pay for any software. At other company, you have to buy loan shifter, you have to buy Arrive or lending pad. You have to pay for different kind of subscription, and you have to pay the company. At Loan Factory, we don't charge anything. Okay. You only pay a flat fee whenever you close a loan, and the flat fee is $5.95. You will keep 100% of your commission. You pay the company $5.95 admin fee and $500 processing fee. So the total is $10.95. That is the total. And the commission, you can choose to be W-2 or 1099. Most loan officers choose to be 1099. If you are W-2, we pay you only 90% instead of 100%. Okay. And with lender pay, if the loan is wholesale and lender pay, we set our lender pay at 2.5 in all states. In California, it's 200 with 2%. Any questions so far? Please ask me. Any question? Hi, Vincent.
Okay, so the first question that I got several of them, but as far as that $1,000 guaranteed, is that applicable in every state?
Right now, we only launch it in about 12 states, and we are trying to roll out to more states right now.
Is Illinois on that list?
I think so. Let me see. Illinois, yes.
Okay. And then I think I noticed on one of the other LO's profiles that you showed that she was licensed in several different states, right? So like me personally, I'm licensed in 5, but say for example, I have a loan, you know, in a state that I'm not licensed in. Is there some kind of like referral network with other Loan Factory LOs?
Yes, at Loan Factory, we are the most connected company. You have the chance to meet and talk to any loan officer. We have a lot of group chat internally. Like, let me show you that. Like, we have a lot of chat here, and you can see that loan officers are chatting every day here. Crazy. And you can see we have different group chat for LO feedback for product and scenario. 1,600 member. What happened? Yeah, people are chatting every day.
Okay.
And then that's one way. There's a lot I have to show you here. For example, on our marketplace. Hold on one second. Let me share with you. Here's our marketplace. Here's our marketplace. And on our marketplace, you can see we have a lot of lenders who are live. You can just click on it and talk to them face to face if you need help.
Cool.
And we have 233 lenders in the system. The lender, you can look up any lender by locating them here, like this. You can see it. Or you can locate them by product offer. Like if they offer non-QM or private loan, we have 84 lenders. If you look for commercial loan, we have 40 lenders. And if you have a scenario on commercial, you can click here, email this lender a scenario. So instead of in the past, you have commercial loan, you don't know where to get it done. Here, you can go here and email the lender a scenario. You can write your inquiry here, and you can select to send out to 20 lender or more. And then you can post it. This lender will receive your inquiry and will get back to you. And you can see it right here, lender finder. You can see that the loan officer is asking question and the lender will answer. You know, seeking an SBA loan for business in Florida, blah, blah, blah. And then He had posted right like 30 minutes ago, and another one posted like an hour ago. So we posting question, and then lender will answer. So you can post your scenario here to get help. You will never have to say no to your clients and realtor anymore, because we can find any products. Not only the product like reverse mortgage, land, charter home loan, like mobile home loan. We have 5 lenders, SBA loan, church, or you can even go to detail like the program, asset utilization, bridge loan, construction loan, DBA, any type of loan. You can locate it at ITIN loan. Yes, 62 lenders. So you can find any pro loan program, any lender, and you can ask for help.
Okay.
As a W2, look like you're going to be a W2 loan officer because you have license in Illinois. So Illinois is W2 state, and as a W2 loan officer, you can refer a loan to the company, and
Okay.
we'll pay you 50% or 50 bip. You don't have to
Okay.
do anything. Get refer and get paid.
Sure. Okay.
And
I'm
go
sorry.
ahead.
I don't want to eat up everybody's time, but one other question: credit reports. What are do we pay for those, or what are the fees for credit reports?
We will create an account for each of you, and you'll be responsible for credit report. You will pay for it, and
Okay.
then when we close the loan, we will charge the borrower and pay you back.
Okay. And what you by chance do you know what the average cost is for tri-merge?
It have gone up a lot, so
Oh
it's
yeah.
$92 all inclusive. So it's a whole package. They don't charge reissue, they don't charge supplement and all that. So it's $92 for a hardcore tri-merge report.
And you do have access to soft pulls too?
Yes, from our
Okay.
system, you can do all of that. And you can do one click run the US, all of that.
Okay. All right. Thanks. That's it
Thank
for
you.
now.
Let me continue a little bit more. You can see you can go to Loan Factory and you can receive support from the company. So we have loan officer support. If you have questions, you click here, you talk to the support team, or you can receive underwriting support. You can talk to them live. So only at Loan Factory where you can receive these kind of live support, and it's all free. We don't charge any money. We have at Loan Factory, you can build a team, or you can join a team. Okay, so you can see we have a lot of team in here, and you can read about the team. You can join the team. If you want to create your own team, you can play your own team here, and people will talk to you and want to join you. So the way we structure the company is for inexperienced or new loan officer, we pay only 80% because they are new. But we pay 80% for 3 loans, the first 3. After that, it's 100%. However, we want them to join a team or a mentorship so that they can receive help. And if they join, we pay them 100% so that they have money to share with the team leader or the mentor. Okay. So we encourage people helping people. We encourage people to work together. And for mentorship, you can join, you can leave anytime. So we have a lot of teams for you to join, 2019. And you can also be a mentor. We have 45 mentors. You can join them. And then we also have production partner. We are improving this feature. So let's say you want to work, with someone in Arkansas. You can look up this loan officer and work with him. Or if you want to work with someone, if you have a Spanish-speaking client, you don't speak Spanish, so you can find a Spanish-speaking loan officer and work with them. You can locate a Spanish-speaking loan, and you can work with this loan officer and share the commission. So, or if you don't know much about reverse mortgage or some kind of product that you're not familiar, then you can work with someone on the loan and get paid together. Any question about the team mentors and production partner?
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, so my question is a little bit of all of the above. I spoke with the recruiting specialist yesterday. I've watched this webinar before. I've been researching you, so I'm coming on board, right? However, I did my CEs before December 31st. However, I did not pay before December 31st. However, I paid a couple of days ago. I'm in Florida, by the way, and I'm on a license in Florida, so I have to wait for the state to put my license back, right? Even though I paid, I did that season, I paid. So the question I have is this: I have a couple of clients that one of them is with a bank statement loan. She's ready. She filled out an application and arrived. She sent me the bank statements. I didn't pull creditors yet, even though she's ready to go. But she's ready to buy a house in Jacksonville, and she has a son that plays for the NFL that is got a loan from a builder and is looking for better rates. The point is this: I don't want to lose those loans. However, I can't do those loans right now because I'm waiting for the state of Florida to. I can't even join your company until the state of Florida, I don't know, maybe it's tomorrow, maybe it's next week, I don't know. What do you suggest? Because I don't want to lose those clients and I don't want to lose those loans because these are people that's ready to go.
Your situation is very tricky. With no license, you cannot do anything. So you might want to call me after this. I can chat with you more, but very tricky. Very difficult. Yeah, I'm sorry. Thank you, Cliff. Hi, Vincent. Hello, Vincent. I don't know if
I apologize. I hit that on accident.
Thank you.
I think I asked enough questions.
Hello, Mike. Hi, Mike. You can unmute it.
Okay, here we go. There,
Okay.
can you hear me now?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, with my current company, they pay in California, my S Corp. And I understand, on out-of-state loans, I'm 1099, but I was told previously that you can't pay my S Corp. It needs to be an LLC. So I have a defined benefit plan, and it's really preventing me from joining Loan Factory. So I wanted to ask you personally, why can't you pay my S Corp in California?
So what happened?
I am a licensed broker.
Yes, I can tell. So yeah, your S Corp, you have your company have license in California, and that's why. No, if your company have no license, we cannot pay, because if we pay, the state might go after us and say, why do I pay an unlicensed entity? Your company is an unlicensed entity, and by law, we cannot pay an unlicensed entity. I saw a company get fined a lot of money because of that. So that is the reason why we cannot pay an unlicensed entity.
But I was told that you would pay an LLC, but not an S Corp.
LLC and S Corp are all entity, and they are the same. In California, you
people
cannot
in your office told me that you'll pay an LLC, but not an S Corp.
I'm not sure who tell you that, but it's not. That's not correct. I'm sorry. No LLC, no S Corp, only individual licensed loan officer. Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah. Yeah, I'm sorry, Mike. Hi, 𝐿.
Yes. I was wondering, back to the credit report.
Yes.
do we have to pay for the credit reports, or can't the borrowers pay for it?
It's up to you. It's
Oh,
up
okay,
to you.
that's
So
okay.
on the website that we built for you,
Mm-hmm.
you can turn on the option that the borrower will pay for it. So when they fill out the application and on the liability page, they have option to click on it and pay for it and pull the report. You don't have to pay. It's up to you.
Okay, so, two more things. One, I had a person helping me complete my to-dos yesterday or day before, and they tried to set up my credit report portal function, and he said there was something wrong. It said something about they were getting the tax transcripts from January 7th, and I wasn't able to do it.
You don't worry. You escalate to them and they will help you.
Okay, all right. And
Thank you.
which one should I talk to? I was trying to upload the HR documents, direct deposit, and some other stuff, but I don't see an upload feature.
Yeah, you can ask to the onboarding specialist. They can help
Okay,
you.
all right.
Thank
That's
you.
all.
Thank
That's
you.
all I need. Thanks so
Yeah,
much.
you ask that person. Hi, Louise. Hi, Louise.
How you doing,
Hello.
Tuan? How are you?
Good. I'm good. Thank you.
So I have two questions. First question is, I have studied for a different. I'm licensed in Florida. I have studied in different states. I have a total of 7, but I haven't sent the paperwork yet. Do you have an HR that can
Yeah.
help me with all that? And
Yeah,
if
we have a
you,
licensing department who can guide you and help you with step by step. But the very first thing that you should do is call an MOS. They also guide you. They know exactly what's going on with your classes, with your tests, with everything. So they can give you a specific answer. But you can always email our licensing team to ask for help. Yeah.
okay, and then can you give us a little explanation on how the leads work? Do we have to be a full-time employee or part-time? And how is it sent to the client, to the loan officers? If loan officers are closing more deals, they get better leads, or is it just universal?
So we have 2 types of leads. One is the consumer who go to our main website and fill out the application. Those leads are very high quality. They fill out application already. It is very, very likely that they will proceed and close loan with us. And because of that, we pay only a quarter, 25 bps per loan. But then you do very little because they fill out application. You only take care of the quote rate and explaining the fee and all that. But the processor is the one that do most of the work for you. The processor will submit the loan and take the loan all the way to fund it for you. So you do very little. And we want you to have more clients. We want you to make some income. And the good thing is the client is yours. In the future, if they come back, they're likely to call you. So you build relationship with the client. I'm not a loan officer. You are the officer of those loans. So you will communicate with the client, not me. And the client will know you. And in the future, if they come back for refinance or for the purchase or referral, they come to you. So that is the benefit. And that is the best quality lead. But then there's another type of lead is Facebook lead. And when we have lead, we normally text. We send a text message to people who sign up. We don't really care if you part-time or not, but we really care how fast you are, how good you are serving the client. So we will test you by text, all of you. And whoever responds first will claim that. We'll work with the client. And
Okay.
we also monitor you to make sure that you do a good job and communicate with the client. If not, next time we'll exclude you.
Got
So
it.
we want to promote the good loan officer.
Got it.
Yeah.
And so if you have more licenses, more likely you can get more leads from different states.
Correct. Correct.
Got it.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Right now, to be honest with all of you, right now is a very bad time. Everything slowed down a lot. Not only that we don't have refinance, that we don't have much refinance at all. The purchase also slowed down a lot too. So all I ask for is you be patient, try to work on relationship, try out to build out a big pipeline in the future, so that when market turn around, you can have a lot of business. Right now, it's a difficult time for everyone. Yeah. Thank you, Luis. Nakisha? Hi, Nakisha.
Hi. I think you may have kind of answered my question already. I actually currently have a DCSR loan. And I was actually processing the loan under a loan broker. However, he never renewed his licensing, and so that's why I'm actually searching for an actual company to join. And so
Yeah.
I do have this loan, and I am going through the application process, and I have kind of the same issue. Like, I don't want to lose it because it's
Are you licensed? Are you licensed?
So I passed the test. I haven't actually received my physical license yet. But this person is a family friend, and my mom is a real estate broker. So that's kind of the relationship.
Yeah. So I encourage you to get the license so that you can officially get paid and become a loan officer. But for this scenario, for this case, you basically can work with any loan officer, and the loan officer would more than happy to help you.
Okay.
And both of you can get paid. Both of you can split the commission.
Okay.
Because this is a business loan, we don't need license.
Right.
So you can get paid too, but then we need you to be licensed in any state.
Right.
You cannot be a non-licensed person and join the company. We cannot accept you as a loan officer.
Right.
So, but for sure, you can work with any of our loan officer. You can look up on our website. We have over 1,500 loan officers.
Okay.
You can work with them, and and you can ask them, hey, what about sharing the commission with me? And they would love to do that too.
Okay, because it's so ready to go. We literally only need an
Yeah,
appraisal.
yes, alone, so it doesn't require license.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Thank
for
you.
this particular one, I can just reach out to somebody and see if I could work something out. But
Yes.
okay.
Yes.
All right. Perfect.
The
Thank you.
good thing is because it's a DSCR loan, it doesn't require license. But most other loan programs require license, and you cannot do that. So try to get a license yourself. Yeah.
Yes, I'm working on that. I'm actually doing the application. I'm listening to this.
It's challenging. The exam is challenging.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
So, Tony, just a real quick question. How can I connect with you after this webinar to talk about my scenario?
Sure. You can connect to Nakisha. Hi, Dave. Hello, Dave.
Hi. Thanks for having me today.
Good. Hi.
Yeah, so I got a few questions. I'm with a brokerage that's got kind of a similar business model as yours here. The one thing that they don't provide, though, is a whole lot of help with the digital marketing. Is that something that you can help out with as far as content goes on a daily basis?
Yes. So let's hold on.
I've had to go out and search for that type of content. I mean, I've got my own CRM. I've got all my social sites set up. I just really need help with just consistent content to get out.
Look at this marketing, right?
Yeah.
You look at my screen. And you can see marketing material right here,
Good.
where you can see what happened. Yeah, you can see 100 different marketing material, so
Okay,
that
great.
you can use to generate and post it.
Good.
We
Yeah, it's the UWM stuff is, kind of gotten old and it's very fluff.
very
And,
old.
and it's not bad. I mean, it's good for, drip marketing, but, I'm actually kind of looking for current event type marketing too. And I've been kind of seeing that in, sites like Mortgage Daily News and such, but just, wanted to get an idea of what you guys have here.
Any of these good program you can use. You can just click a button and generate it, and you can promote it. Your information will show right here.
Okay,
You know,
great. Yeah, it's easy to import it in there, and
Yeah,
is it easy to post to social rather than just as like flyers?
yeah, exactly. Those are for social media.
Okay,
So
great.
you can do so much more. You can do a co-marketing with the realtor. You can do promote loan program. You can promote rate and chart. You can promote a 30-year fix like this, and you can see it downloaded, and it's right here.
The one for Colorado there, the third one. Okay, they're probably all the same, but
You understand? Yeah.
yeah,
And then
yeah.
you can promote a holiday. You can promote a
Okay, great.
review. A review. Let's say you get a 5-star review. You can generate the image and then post it and share that.
Okay.
You
I
can
mean,
do
do you guys provide a CRM, or am I allowed to use my own CRM to do this
You
stuff?
can use yours. You can use yours, but we have our own CRM, and you can use it for free. It's very cool. It's
Okay,
very cool.
what is it called?
It's all in one. It's all Loan Factory.
It's all part of your Loan Factory system. I didn't know if it was like Salesforce or Zoho or what it was.
Yeah, we build everything for you. So here you can see that you can run Facebook ads. You heard about List Hacker, right? They charge you $300. Here we build something like that for you, and it's free. And you can run ads in 3 clicks. Yeah, you can run ads in 3 clicks. 1 click here, and then second click you put the template.
Is that like boosting that Facebook looks for? I mean, does that help boost it?
Yes, you pay for it though. You promote it. It's a Facebook ads, right?
Yeah. Are you saying that you guys provide the cost to boost it, or do we pay for it?
No, you have to pay for the cost.
Yeah.
You have to pay Facebook, but we create a tool for you to run ads.
Yeah.
On Facebook.
Okay.
So let's say
we just run these under our current business page, correct?
Yeah, exactly.
I don't have to set up a business page again. I can use my current.
Yeah. We build a business page for you. And then when you, like this Facebook ads, you can run ads. You can promote $1,000 back or 2-1 buy down. You can select ads, that second click, and then you enter the budget, daily budget $10. Then you can run it.
Yeah.
I like it. You can select the language, you can target whatever term, and then you can do this. This is really cool. Receive a notification to your cell phone when the new lead is created.
Okay, so can I use my current Facebook business page, or do I have to use one that's created by you guys? Okay.
Yours. Everything yours.
Yeah. Okay, great.
Yeah, everything yours.
One of my main questions, I wanted to kind of see if you guys provided some digital marketing support, because I really don't get anywhere I'm at right now.
Exactly, and we have a marketing team to help you. Any customized request from you, we do it for you, free.
Okay.
We support you all the way. And then
and then the company leads thing, you mentioned something like you'll funnel them to loan officers in specific states if you guys get them. Is that what you said? With reduced commission or something?
Correct.
Yeah. Okay.
Right now we don't have a lot of leads. Everything's slowed down.
Yeah, of course. I mean, this whole market's terrible right now. With these high rates. But how about on the LO referrals? I used to be an account executive for a number of wholesale lenders, and I've got a lot of loan officer contacts. Am I able to create a little team, or is it how does this, or do you just do a referral per?
Yeah, we have it here. So if you refer a loan officer, you can earn up to $5,000. So if the loan officer in the past 12 months closed 50 loans, you earn $5,000. So it
Okay.
depends on their production.
Yeah, but with this current environment, that's not realistic. But maybe 10 could be, So an extra $1,000
Yeah.
if they do 10 loans. Okay.
10 loans, you get $2,000.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice. Okay.
Yeah.
My last question. I'm also a commercial broker under brokerage here in Denver. Is that a problem with you guys if I'm originating commercial business under another brokerage?
No problem.
Okay, good. All right.
Yeah.
Oh, sounds great.
Okay, thank you. Let me
Yeah,
move
thank you.
on. Let me move on with the presentation. There's a lot that I want to share with you. So just hold on a little bit more. There's so much I can offer you. So 42 states we have company lead, and you receive up to 5,000 when you, at the loan officer, will get paid 1% minus 1,095. That's
Yeah,
it, simple for you.
I-
For the borrower, what they see is what they get. Period.
yeah, but what I'm trying to do is figure out how good your rates are, because
Yeah.
again,
Yeah.
if you're
You have to
offering
see
one rate
my
and it's
screen.
lender
You have
paid,
to see my screen. You have to see my screen so that you can understand. But to make it really, really, really simple, the borrower, whatever on the website is for the borrower. Period. Whatever they see on the website is for the borrower. And if you offer the borrower whatever they see on the website, you get paid 1%. That's it.
okay, and that's
Borrower-
not charged to the borrower. That's
Correct.
lender
The borrower
paid.
doesn't
And
have
that's
to
why I'm
worry.
saying it's either lender paid or it's borrower paid. So what you're saying, it's lender paid.
Yes, correct. The
Perfect.
borrower, like I said, borrower don't see 1% on the website. So they don't care. They don't
Okay.
have to pay. They don't see it. They don't have to worry about it. What they see is what they get on the
Gotcha.
website. Yeah,
Understood.
thank you.
Thank you.
So we have to make everything really simple for the borrower. So we promise them is what they see is what they get. They see the rate, they see the credit, that's what they get. But when they click on the review fee, they see that they have to pay lender fee. That's what they have to pay. So we show them what they see is what they get, so that they understand it. But any complication like broker compensation, loan officer compensation, they don't have to worry.
So is the lender paid compensation with all lenders set at 2.5%?
Yes, all lenders except California, we set at 2%. And except Provident Funding, we set 1%. The reason is we want to rely on Provident Funding to compete so that we won't lose to anyone. So if we have to compete, we go with Provident Funding and we can beat anyone.
So
that's
so
what I'm saying. Yeah.
so as far as
United
origination,
Wholesale a preferred lender? Are you set up with
Sorry?
United?
I'm sorry?
Are you guys set up with United Wholesale?
No, we work with Rocket Mortgage
Okay,
because the pricing is better.
okay.
Yeah.
so in the terms of origination, right? Like the underwriting fee for like Rocket or Provident or whatever, let's just call it 1095. You could buy that out when you're pricing out the loan, right?
Kinda. You can, like I said, you can adjust the compensation. You can make 2% or 2.5% or 1%. It's up to you. So you can, if you don't want to pay that 1095 to Loan Factory, you can adjust your compensation higher so that you can pay more and you have money to pay Loan Factory.
Okay, and then that's the only origination charge to the borrower. Is there another Loan Factory charge to that?
Loan Factory, we don't charge the borrower.
Okay,
Only the lender charges the borrower.
okay, and then we pay
we-
you guys the 595 or
we-
whatever it is.
Yeah, we charge you 1095. So if you want to charge the borrower back, you have to either raise your compensation to make it up, or you have to change the loan to correspondent channel, because with correspondent channel, Loan Factory is the lender, and we can charge the borrower any fee.
Well,
Like,
it,
yeah,
so the 1095 you charge us is if we use it's basically like half of it's 595 if we don't use the processing, right?
if you don't use processor, we require you to use our processor. So
Oh, okay.
1095 total.
Okay. And you mentioned earlier that the processor, like, they're chasing down conditions. They're not just ordering title and insurance and stuff like that.
Correct. They do everything. They do almost everything for you.
So it's like a processor and an LOA all in one.
Pretty much like that. They will take over when the loan is ready to be submitted to the lender, and they will take it all the way to fund it for you. They will even take care of the compliance post-closing for you. All you need to do is request commission, and we will pay you.
Sounds good to me.
Yeah, they do. They take care of. We want to free you up so that you can focus on building network and bringing the clients.
Right.
What's the
So-
difference between the correspondent and broker side as far as are rates different? Because obviously, you know, I was a non-del correspondent, and that makes way more sense because you have less rules. But are there any negatives with going with less lenders that you allow us to use,
Oh,
you know, anything like that?
so our pricing is the same for between wholesale and correspondent. We keep everything the same. The only one different is we have to charge you $300 extra for correspondent because it costs us more.
And are
So
all your lenders that you have on wholesale also approved correspondent, or is it some of them?
only Rocket is correspondent right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, Robert.
Thank you.
Hi,
So,
Thawan. Hi.
yeah, hi,
Hi.
Lisa. Yeah.
Hi. I've been waiting. Robert, David, and Vincent, there's an order here. Hands are up. You all jumped in with your questions. You weren't going in the proper order. I'm not going to say anything else, but
All right.
that's okay. No, but you jumped up and there is an order here. Okay, so just everyone respect the order. My audio was not working. Hi, Thon. Nice to meet you. I just had a couple quick questions. I'm actually still studying to pass my test. I'm taking a career move. I worked in commercial real estate as a leasing manager for a couple big shopping mall developers. I'm going back into mortgages. I worked in them as an assistant to a mortgage broker when I was in college. Anyways, I'm wondering, do you have any type of support prior to me passing my exam as I prepare for those of us that are not licensed yet? And if not, it's okay. I just wanted to know if you do have anything. And then if not, my second question was regarding what's entailed in the onboard, like once we come on board, once I'm licensed, what the training, what's involved in the training basically, and what kind of support is there for me since I'm going to be, you know, a new loan officer.
Cool, cool. So you can email our licensing team. They have the course, the sample exam for you. You can study that to prepare for the exam. When you are on board, you can see that we have a lot of training. If you go to our marketplace, you can look at the event and look at all of the upcoming event. You can see that we have Loan Officer Success Series. There's 4 sections. Section 1, we cover leads and marketing. Section 3 right here is prospect. Section 4 is like loans. We cover loans. And we have 4 sections. And then every week we have weekly sale call. We have a lot of training from the lender. So like SBA loan right here, how to finance a business with SBA loan. There's a lot of different events for you, reverse mortgage training right here. So there's a lot of events that we organize, and all you need to do is attend.
Okay, great. This looks wonderful. It's like a whole library.
And not even better than that. Even better than that. Let's say if you have a commercial loan or any type of loan, you can talk to the AE live. You can talk to them, you can click here and call or email the AE right away and ask them. They will support you. They will guide you step by step because the AE, they make money on every loan. So they are motivated to help you. So we build a marketplace, a platform where you can meet other loan officer, you can meet AE so that they can help you. So there's a lot of help.
Okay, great. And then how do I get in touch with the licensing team you said? Where do I get in touch with them?
Right in this meeting, we have some staff, some onboarding specialists. They will reach out to you and then you can ask them.
Okay, thank you so much, Swan. I appreciate it.
Yeah, by the way, at the end of after today, the team will reach out to you to see if you have any question, you need any help, and they will happy to help you. Thank you.
Okay, great. Thank you.
I want everyone to hold on a little bit more because let me finish it up. I'm almost done. So there's a lot of menu here, all important menu. You can keep track and build relationship with realtor. We track the relationship with the realtor. You have a my commission request where you can track commission and request commission. You can create a ticket. If you need help, You create a ticket and someone will help you. You can create a ticket and assign to any of these departments, and they will jump on and help you. You can run Facebook ads and get lead, and for sure you get a lot of lead. It's very effective. Marketing material, I showed you before. You can, all of you should be active on social media. You need to be active. You need to have content. Believe me, all of you nowadays need to be active on social media. Otherwise, it's very difficult to have clients. Email drip campaign is really powerful. There are two types of campaign: holiday campaign and follow-up campaign. Holiday campaign where you can email them during in any of these holidays. You can email all your clients or all your realtor. Or the follow-up campaign, you can set a follow-up schedule. It's dripping, right? You can set the date, the time, when you want to drip. You can select who you want to drip and the content. You can set any new campaign, any day, any message. You can do that. We have mailing list feature, which is also very powerful, where you can see sometime I have a few thousand people, and I can use this to email all of them, and I can see the statistic, see how many people open it, not open it, how many fail. So it's really powerful, and I want you to use this powerful tool. You can set up your, if you have a real estate agent or not, you can set up your marketing, Facebook ads, your team, your mentorship, production partner, company lead. You want to be a production partner or not, and, you know. So there's a lot. System preference here. You can set up the system, your website, where you, when you log in, you want to see the dashboard, how you want to communicate. There's a lot of setting. Credential is for like credit report or lender website and all that. Marketing setting is your social media, Facebook ads, lead funnels and widget. You can create a lead funnel in 30 seconds and then drive traffic there to capture lead. We have that. We have widget. We have subscription. There's all kind of tool to help you. Team and mentorship and production partner. Let's see what else. Training academy, where you can study, and it's free. The training academy is free, so you can take these courses. Let's see what else. You can track all compensation history. You can look at our dashboard here. You can see loan factory or me. You can look at me. I have closed this many loans the last few months. You can look at the production of the company. 503 loans last month. And for me, I closed 90 loans last month. 80 loans the month before. 99 loans in October. So I can track everything. The system can track a lot of different things, but I don't think it's relevant to you. So now I can answer the question that you have. Hey, Jose. Hello, Jose.
Yeah, hello. I'm sorry about that. Quick question on the credit report. Kim, normally in the previous company I used to work for, we do soft pulls normally because not everybody that applies for a mortgage qualifies. So there's a way to set up where you have the customer do the soft pull first,
yes,
before in credit, I guess. So you get
yes,
somebody, you know, with 400 scores, you say, oh wow, I'll owe now $96 because.
yeah, we can do soft pull, and we can pick one credit bureau instead of 3 to save money. Yes, you can do that.
Okay, that was it.
Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah. Any other question? Please ask me. Hello, Kim. Hi, Kim.
Hi, sorry, I was pressing the wrong button to unmute myself.
That's not
So
bad.
what's the fee for the soft pull? Because normally I just have them go to Credit Karma, and if it's like in the 600s, I just like low 600s, they don't qualify.
Credit Karma is not accurate. It's not a
I know.
5.
I'm just saying that if it's in the 600 low 600s, they don't qualify because it's different. It's much different.
It used to be $12 per credit per bureau per user, but now I think it's go up to something like $17 each. So
Oh,
it's getting
okay. That's
yeah.
not bad. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So we also have a mobile app, and we are actively working on our mobile app. The mobile app will be really powerful. It will change how we do business. And I cannot wait until we have that in about a month. So we also have AI. We are working on having AI calculate DTI for us automatically. One step at a time. AI will also detect and validate document for us. The expiry, if it's missing document, missing page, if the value is too low, too high, it will tell us. So we are invest heavily into AI. So in the future, AI can help us so much more. I cannot wait until we have more to share with you, but I can tell you right now, AI can do a lot. AI can fill our application, and in the future, AI can underwrite a loan as well. Hello, hi Kim.
Sorry, I have a couple more questions. So that I've worked with AI before with SunWest Mortgage, but it wasn't actually AI. It was actually people like responding to my questions, and it wasn't a lot of times we weren't on the same page because they weren't. I guess
For us, it's real AI. You can
it's
look
real
here.
AI. Okay.
Yeah, on our website here on the bottom right here, if you look at my screen, I can click on this, and here's our AI, where you can ask a lot of questions, like how many loan applications do I have? Or show me the rate today, the best rate today. How can Loan Factory close loan fast or create a loan application? You can ask AI to fill out application for you. You can ask them many questions. They can be your assistant.
Okay, and one more question about so when we I guess ask for help, like is there a fee for every time we ask, or okay?
No, we don't charge any fee. You can ask for help with any department, accounting, licensing, compliance. You can ask help our marketing to help you. You can ask our underwriter to help you. It's all free. We don't charge. Hi, Vincent.
Hey, real quick, just circling back to the website. You mentioned something along the lines of if a lead or an application comes in through the website, it's 25 bips. That's like if they go to like the Loan Factory website, right? Like not our individual that we're marketing for, right? Okay. And then with the CRM, does that include like a certain number of like text, emails, and like voicemail drops, or is it unlimited?
We don't offer voicemail drop. I think you should avoid that because I don't think it's effective. Consumers are getting smarter. They're not gonna trust someone that drop them like that for a big transaction. They need to know you. They have to trust you in order to do business with you. So I recommend not to do that. A lot of people got sued because of that too. So
Oh,
you don't
really?
want, yeah.
Dang.
You cannot text them without authorization. You cannot call and leave a message using an automated system. There's a lot of regulation out there. And some loan officer got sued too. I know that. So I recommend not to do that. You have to build relationship. You need to become a better loan officer so people come to you rather than spamming people and trying to get the business. It's not gonna work. Yeah.
Okay. So the CRM, what exactly does the CRM perform then?
Yeah, like I told you earlier, We build everything inside the system. So we have the mailing list, we have subscription. Here is the CRM, right? A customer relationship here. You can build a subscription. You can track all the referral back and forth. You can build your Google review. You can have an email list where you can email them constantly, or weekly or bi-weekly. You can create an email drip campaign. You can drip anyone. So those are the CRM. You can build a landing page and then run an ads to drive traffic to your landing page. But most of the CRM is emailing list and subscription and email drip campaign. Those are the things that you have to do. You should do all of that.
Yeah, right. I agree. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you. I appreciate it. I think that's all I got.
With the client. Yeah. Anyone have a question? Please ask me any question. Any question, you ask me. So I think you should take advantage of the broker or the company to help you. As the loan officer, it's too difficult for you to do everything yourself. You need to rely on the company to help you, give you a lot of choices, a lot of lender, good rate, good service, good technology, and they don't charge you a lot of money. So that's what I recommend. I think someone just raised hand and disappeared quickly. Hello. Yeah, hi Cindy.
Hello, Ang. So I have been a licensed real estate agent for 11 years in California, San Francisco area. And I recently got my DRE MLO,
Yes.
not realizing that I actually need the DFPI MLO. And so I just contacted the NMLS, Department
Yes.
A, and all that squared away. So this means that I can work as an MLO with Loan Factory and also work as a real estate agent as
Correct.
well, correct?
Right. You have to call an MLS and ask them to switch your license from DRE to DFPI.
I did.
After you did that, now you have two different licenses. Your DI license, you need to hang it with a real estate brokerage. Your DFPI license, you can hang it with Loan Factory.
Okay. All right. I just wanted to confirm that I can still work simultaneously as both under
Yes.
two different brokers.
And on our system, you should disclose that you're also a real estate agent. This way, our system will disclose to the borrower that you pledge dual capacity.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Cindy. I think a lot of realtor now getting licensed and do loan. Why not, right? Legally, you can do it, and you already have a client. Why not? So I think you make the right decision.
Okay.
To offer both to your clients. Yeah, thank you, Cindy. Okay, thank you, everyone. It's been almost 2 hours, and I hope that you learn a lot. And I want you to write out all the highlight, anything that you want to research further. But I really want you to keep comparing Loan Factory versus other, comparing you versus me. Imagine one day someone from Loan Factory compete against you. Can you win? Can you beat our loan officer? I mean, it's real, right? Our Loan Factory keep growing so fast, so we will run into a situation when we will compete. And of course, when you run a business, you want to be better than your competitor. You don't want to lose client to your competitor. So I want you to keep thinking, do a lot of research, and find out what is best for your business. So that's my goal, for you to realize what are important, what are not important for you. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for spending time with me, and keep in touch.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. See you later. Thank you.
Thank you.